Hello everyone, welcome to another shaving video with Alberto Ian on the Razor Company YouTube channel. And the focus today is Shannon soaps, Forest City Fern. Stay tuned. How's it going? Good? I hope so. As you can see, the soap I will use today is a Shannons soaps, an American artisan. This is my first Shannon soaps. Comes in a 4 oz jar, plastic. It's a soft crop, as you can see, and let's smell. Something fresh, green and floral. Yes, that's what I can smell. Okay. Next, on the razor, Aylsworth Apex Aluminum Jet Black version, a wonderful and gorgeous razor. I loaded with an Aylsworth blade as well. On the brush, Yaqi Obsidian Green 24 that has been soaking for 20 minutes more or less, and I will finish with Shannon soaps Forest City Fern as well. Alright, let's do the shave. And I'm going to start by loading the brush into the jar. No much pressure, because this is a soft soap. Very good scent. A classic fougère. This fragrance reminds me of a walk in the park. Something green, or like that. Okay, I think it's good. Very good scent for me. Green, floral, and fresh. This is a kind of scent that I love. Yeah, very, very good. Okay. I'm going to wash my face. This is a handmade soap by Shannons. Lavender on the top. And then earthy and hoodie on the base. I will see. As I said, this is my first Shannon soaps. This version is a Rust Bell Reserve. Tallow base. The brush has soft tips. It's a 2-band badger from Yaqi. A shaving brush which lathers very well, as you can see. Not so quickly as a synthetic brush. We have a good lather. The density is not too strong. Add a little of water. This is a little tall lather. Okay. Very good bright. And let's see how it performs with the Aylsworth Apex aluminum. All right. First pass with Aylsworth, loaded with Aylsworth blade as well. With the grain. Looks nice. Good protection. I love this razor. So light, so maneuverable. Smooth but efficient. Okay, first pass is done. Good performance from the soap and from the razor, of course, but the focus today is on the soap. Okay, I'm going to wet the face to see residual slickness. Yeah, I can feel the slickness. I'm going to see it with the razor across the grain, only with residual slickness. No problem. I can make a pass only with residual slickness. All right, very nice. So the scent now is more hurting and slightly wood. Very good scent. All right, it's ready for the third pass against the grain with Apex aluminum. Very nice. The weather is too hot here in Portugal. It's about 40 degrees outside. It's the summer in the city. Okay, a nice shave with a good scent, close shave, any problems? Excellent. Okay, I'm going washing my face and I'll be back for aftershave and final thoughts. I'm back and I'm going to finish with Shannon soaps City Forest City Fern Reserve as well. This is a alcohol-free aftershave with witch hazel. Smells like the soap. No burn. Yes. Green, lightly floral. And hoodie at the end. Yeah. A typical fougere. Very good for the skin. No alcohol. And with witch hazel. Very good for the skin. Okay, and the focus today was Shannon soaps Forest City Fern Rust Bell Reserve. A crop with a very good scent for me, a green floral and slightly woody scent, with a good performance, good protection, good sleekness, and good residual sleekness. I like it. Hope you like it too. And that's all, folks. I hope to see you on the next video here on the Razor Company YouTube channel. Stay safe.